Hi Forex fam, my name is Naz. I'm from Sydney, Australia, and I just wanted to share my experience that I've had with the Forex for Beginners learning course that Saad has so kindly prepared for us. So my Forex journey has been quite new so far, so I've done a lot of self-learning through YouTube, but I found that a lot of it's quite overwhelming. There's a lot of content out there, and there's essentially no structure in the order in which you learn the different concepts. So basically, I was doing my research one day, and I came across Saad's course on Google, and it's been absolutely amazing. I'm so grateful because what I really appreciated is that it's organized, and the lessons are from 1 to 28, and they all go in chronological order, and you start from the basics like support and resistance, the trend lines and parallel channels, and you start working your way up to the more advanced content like the Fibonacci retracement, looking at the different different candlestick patterns and the chart analysis, like the bearish engulfing, bullish engulfing, shooting stars, and and then finally looking at the 3 chart setup and how there's a time frame correlation. So it's been really grateful. I've learned quite a lot, and I'm really looking forward to continuing this journey with, under the guidance of Saad. He's got a private student group where, as I was learning each of the course, or each episode of the course, I posted my screenshot of each of the chart markups that I did, and I got some feedback. There was a little bit of learning involved. I didn't quite get it straight from the beginning, but as Saad says, with practice and constant face time or time with the charts, you will improve, you will become better, and eventually, hopefully, you will become profitable. Now, I'm really looking forward to continuing this journey, and I really want to thank Saad, and I look forward to trading the strategy that you have for your students. Thank you. Thanks a lot, Saad, and good luck to all of you, and I wish you all the best. See ya.